Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to do multicam editing in Wondershare Filmora. Now, multicam editing is when we have obviously multiple cameras from different viewpoints, and it's very easy in Wondershare Filmora. Once you've actually imported in your different cameras, like we have just here, select all your shots by pressing Ctrl A or Command A, then right-clicking on one of them and doing Create Multi-Camera Clip. Now you can choose a different synchronization method, whether it's audio or first frame. Now, most of the time you'll probably want to choose audio if you've got some audio track. Make sure you have autocorrect proxy file switched on to make the editing process easier, and then press OK. So this is going to do the AI magic and with the syncing, and it's going to take a few moments. Once it's complete, click the icon right at the top here to be able to switch to multi-camera view. Once you do that, you can see your source clips on the left hand side for the actual 5 clips, and then you also have your main viewer for the timeline here. So what we're going to do is you simply just need to play your footage and then clicking the actual shot that you want, for example number 2, and you can see that actually creates a cut on the actual timeline at that position. Then press play again, let it continue, and click the next one, and then it cuts with that particular camera. And you can just keep on doing that as many times as you want, clicking the actual camera or the footage you particularly want to do. When you zoom in, you can see that Filmora has automatically done the cuts for you depending on which camera you press. Now you can actually double click on your camera clip and you can see dive into each of the actual footage. So you can make finer adjustments if you particularly want to, or for example, you want to add some sort of visual effect for the particular camera. Once you've finished with doing the editing or making some adjustments, click where it says the multi-camera clip 1 and jump back to main timeline, and you're back in your normal editing screen. And there you go. That's how you can easily create a multi-camera clip and edit inside Wondershare Filmora. Nice and easy, nice and quick. Enjoy using Filmora, and I shall see you soon on another video.